What's up, you guys? Zach here from Kura. So today I'm going to be showing you how to basically clean out your bathroom fan. What you're going to want to do, most bathroom fans are going to look like this inside your bathrooms. There should be two hooks on either side. If you guys can see that up there, you just want to pinch them together like this. Might have to wiggle them out a little bit. Could be a while since they came out, so take it out like that. And usually what we do with these guys is we have a HVAC vacuum with a brush on the end that gets this stuff off pretty easy. If the stuff is still stuck on there, we usually take Simple Green or another hard cleaner that gets all the gunk off of there, and they look brand new, you guys. We also clean the inside housing of the fan as well. Sometimes we'll stick our dome up there with our compressor hose and get every single little piece of dust out of there. So these look brand new afterwards. This is just one of the 35 routine maintenance services that we offer. You can give us a call or look us up online. We'd appreciate it. Thanks so much.